Ka jing hap slap ka bajur hakini ki khendiat sngi kala wanrah ke jing julor ka bakraw hakawe ka Bynta Jong ka Surok Shillong-Pynursla na ka jing tua ulum hakaba ka ka batujur kala rongno ya ka Bynta Jong ka Surok Kalkum kidur bat video kibla sa priang paidbah la yoi ba ka ka tuit na ka Bynta Jong ka Surok shatrai rian hadien ba ka jing thier slam ka ba khlem sange kala pin prai ka Bynta Jong ka Surok Kajingjur jong uslam kalapin long ya ke surak banlong ke ima bha bat ki kali bat ki nong let no wan ki pat ba ki badon ha ke jaka kilapin pau ki jing smokhia halor ke jingma kabala ban mi lada amshim khia no mardor bat maramot ya ke Bynta Jong ke surang hadu minta ampat don jingyo jingtip batikina shaphang kino kino ki ba minsau ni shakta ha ke ni ke jingjia hinri ki bor badai pe kirang bot dien ya ke jinglong jingman bat jurip ya ke jaka bajulor Khubor sinshar kila kintu kinong let nawan bakin long ki bahusiar bat ban bud ya ki jing bitha ki bami na kitnat badai khmi khamtam ha gani ka ayom slap kabala wanrah abun ki jingjia jingshlei ha ki Bynta ba pher jong ka Jylla
Ya kaya dengan hot hari ini itu. Kita bahan tak benar lagi kita. Lagi ini namun ini namun
Pet menjar di orang tua atap. Lad sudah banyak. Ladam lad. Ajak surok. Kene deh mauli. Lahap kita gi mau bah.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.